Your bibliography goes at the end of your document. It lists all the sources you consulted when researching and writing. This may include sources you have not referenced in your footnotes. This example bibliography has 4 source types: a book, a web page, an edited book chapter, and a journal article. The details and formatting are different for each source type. Bibliography references are similar to note references and footnotes, but with slight changes in formatting. For instance, the first author's name is presented as last name, comma, first name. The bibliography is in alphabetical order. Each item has a hanging indent, and there is a space between each reference. When you reference multiple works by the same author, list them alphabetically by title, ignoring words like a or the. After the first work, a group of 3 em dashes and a full stop replaces the author's name. You can insert an em dash in Microsoft Word by choosing Insert, Symbol, More Symbols, Special Character, em dash. Or the keyboard shortcut for an em dash is Alt Control minus or Option Shift minus on a Mac. An alternative to 3 em dashes is 6 small dashes using the minus or hyphen key. Online tools and guides can help you. On the AUT Library website, you'll find the Chicago Referencing Guide and a handy quick guide. Use the Chicago Manual of Style, available online from the library website, for unusual or tricky referencing questions.